Salam and hi everyone. Welcome to AMARA Henna Art. So, as you all could see, today again I am doing this wonderful lace gloves design on the front side of the hand. And yes, I'm making these roses, Khaleeji roses. And I have like for this next rose, I'm recording this in like a slower version so you all could see easily how I'm doing this roses. And yes, this looks really beautiful when you get darker stains. Okay, so that's it. And just watch this complete video and you can see how beautiful this design looks at the end. Okay, so these are the roses that I'm doing. And yes, very important thing, whenever you are doing this any like khaleeji designs and all, so the tip of the cone gets dirty a lot of times, so you need to keep cleaning that again and again. Okay, so while I'm completing this rose, just an update, we are starting 3-month mehendi design course from 12th October. So if you wish to learn how to apply Mehendi design, check the link in the description, fill up the form and you will get the details of the class. Okay, and also we are having a free webinar soon. For that detail as well, you can contact me on my Instagram or Facebook page. I will put the link in the description. Okay, see these leaves, how wonderful they're looking. It's very easy and really beautiful as well. Okay, so enjoy doing these leaves. And yes, if you try any of my designs, please do share with me on my social media pages and don't forget to tag me. Okay. Okay, even up till now this is looking like so beautiful, like your hand like just looks very nice. Okay, and the best part is yet to come. Okay, when I do the gloves and lace design around, that will look so much more beautiful. Okay, and yes, if you like my video, please do subscribe to my channel and don't forget to share it with your family and friends. Okay, so this design I have paired these khaleeji roses and leaves together, and once I'm done with these leaves I will just make the lace pattern around, and you can see that. Okay, so this is how I'm doing it, and yes, just look at it, it's looking so much intricate and lovely. Yeah. Okay, so that's it, and if you're watching up till now, thank you so much for watching. Do watch the complete video and please do share it with your family and friends. Okay, and it would be very kind of you if you could put in the comments if you liked my design or not, or if you wish to see any other designs in future, please comment below. And that's it, thank you so much for watching. Thank you all. Stay blessed, stay safe. Thank you.